lamer, not a lamer. And we are back with our old friend that I introduced you a long time ago. Hello. At the beach. Yes. And look at the pond that we made. If you want to come here, it smells like eggs. Like rotten eggs in a toilet. Like rotten eggs. Like rotten eggs in a toilet.
Ew.
Yes. Ew. Look how huge it is. Oh, okay, Junior, step aside. Yes. I will get in. And Arya's here. Again, it smells like eggs. It smells like rotten eggs. Hey guys, we finally made it in the water. This is how good I am still.
We are here with the shark. Okay, guys, I have a challenge. I need to see your best dance move in the water.
To the sandbar!
Woo!
Onward! Let's go, guys! Let's go! If you ever come to this place, for the sand, guys, if you ever come to this place where the sandbar is, it's so warm right here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look. Bye-bye. Good.